USP can help you position yourself and beat your competition. Coca-Cola, the USP is its secret recipe. Amazon says it's Earth's most customer-centric company. I'll give you another example. There is a local brand that sells biryani. Watch this if you have just started a business, about to start a business, if you're an entrepreneur and looking at growth. You must have heard of unique selling proposition. If not, no problem. USP is something that you got to know and work upon. Do not neglect it. Coca-Cola, the USP is its secret recipe. Amazon says it's Earth's most customer-centric company. Now, what is your USP? Think about it for a moment. USP can help you position yourself and beat your competition. You need not be a big company like Coca-Cola or Amazon. Let's take a local example. 15-20 kilometers from where I am, there is a kebab center. Now people go to him from far away places. They visit him because he's got the secret recipe and his kebab tastes amazing. There is a YouTuber. When he started his channel, he says that it was because he was a medical student from Cambridge University. People started watching his channel initially. Now when I do my seminars are usually jam-packed. One of the reasons is because I'm an author and also a world record holder. Now, what is your USP? Think about it. Go to the nearest coffee shop. If you're a solopreneur, sit there for maybe 4 or 5 hours and come up with your unique selling propositions. If you have a team, sit together and see what makes your service or product unique. Give it some time because this is critical for your business growth and success. Ask questions like, what is my competition not doing that I can do? What does my customer expect from this service or this product and my competition is not delivering? I'll give you another example. There is a local brand that sells biryani. The way they package it is very different. You see, biryani is something that is sold everywhere, but then they stood apart because of their packaging, right? So how can you stand apart and position yourself in a unique way? What is your unique selling proposition? Think about it and make things happen. Let your creative juices flow. Sit and understand how you can build on your USP. Hope this helps. Like, share, and subscribe. Take charge, and I'll see you soon.